Alright guys. Oh shoot. Okay, yeah. Okay guys, here update, and just came up to this traffic light here and realized that in the direction I'm driving, there's some relatively dark clouds in that direction. I don't know if it's heading this direction or what, so, yeah. We'll see what's gonna happen. I'm honestly hoping for something really exciting to happen, because that'll at least be interesting for the most part. But yeah, there's while I was driving down the freeway this way, there's actually there's some sticks and stuff in the road, so yeah, had to avoid those. There's not much traffic out here, just me and a couple of cars. It's not really that rainy right now, but I'm sure that as I move up, I will be hitting a lot more rain and stuff like that, so, you know. What I am hoping happens that, like, maybe I'll be able to catch a tornado, of all things. I just don't want to get hit by it. Or do I want my car to get damaged on it, so yeah. Much is going on, so yeah, we'll head on up into Chattanooga here. Technically we are in Chattanooga, but I am actually every red light I come to, it just turns green as soon as, like, I stop. It's so annoying. Ugh. Really sharp. Guess the rain isn't my favorite. Uh-oh. What is happening right here? Alright. Alright, so there are some cars that that were pulled over to the side right there. I'm actually getting a little concerned because I feel like I might be headed directly into the storm. Oh gosh, this is so scary. Alright, I'm gonna actually stay at a slower speed, so just in case whoa. Okay. Holy crap, that scared me. I just hit this really deep puddle. Oh shoot. There are considerably floods here, so I actually have to take this extremely slow. Okay. Now stay calm. Holy cow, like it just got really dark here. Alright. I didn't know whether or not my headlights were turned on, but they are, so that's good. Alright, I am kind of officially freaked out right now. I still have like an extra 30 miles to go before I make it back to my house. Alright, now the speed limit is kind of in my favor right here because they've been doing construction here for quite some time, so I can take it a little slowly now. Alright. It's not looking very promising right now. April showers bring happy hours, what that billboard says. I'm anything but happy. Actually, I'm kind of having the time of my life right here. Okay, so back to those cars. I'm not exactly sure what the deal was right there. I guess that kind of maybe foreshadows strong storms, which is why I am hoping to catch here. It's not looking promising in the direction I'm going. So, yeah, but, I'll try my best to be safe. Alright, we're good to go. Alright. I need to take it slow. You know, I don't need to be in such a rush right now. Traffic around, I'm good to go. Ooh, I'm getting a little bit of a pushback on my car from the wind actually right now. Oh god. It smells like gas around here. No, it's like diesel. It smells like complete crap, though. Ooh. I don't know. You guys can't tell, but my entire body is kind of shaking right now, but I'm trying my best to hold it steady. Oh gosh, it's getting darker. It is getting darker. Whoa. Whoa, whoa. Okay. There's some streams going across the street, and I was getting a little stuck in them. Alright. Holy cow. Alright, gotta take it kind of slow here because there's some standing water right here. Alright, it doesn't look too promising in the direction I'm heading. I mean, I've said that before, but I'm gonna say it again. Ooh. This is pretty exciting. It's 8:23 right now, so the sun should be completely out now, but it's pretty dark, so yeah. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but there is actually a lot of water that I'm hitting. It's like standing water, and it's actually kind of pushing my car, and like it's kind of pushing my car to the side a little bit, and it's kind of giving me a harder time to drive. Water. Alright. Oh, shoot. Alright. There's some debris left in the road. There's like chunks of asphalt and stuff like that in the road. So, yeah, I'm actually going pretty slow right now. The speed limit is 65. I'm currently going 55. That's the lowest speed limit. At least that's the speed limit trucks can go, but they can still go 65. But the safest speed for them is 55. But you can still go 55 just in case, like what's going on now. And it is actually getting a little crazy. Holy cow. Alright. We gotta make it all the way, guys. Can't stop now. The rain's picking up, but I just gotta keep going. That traffic cone's been knocked over. Not really much going on. Yeah, actually put my windshield wipers at full speed now. Holy cow. The adrenaline is really pumping now. This is scary! Oh my gosh, there's like a full stream of water. It's like going off the side of my window now. Alright, now I'm going like 65. That's actually a little dangerous right now. Right. Like, okay, so literally if I look into my rear view mirror, there's literally nothing behind me right now. It is actually going crazy. Holy cow. This is scary. Alright. I'm gonna have to actually pull over early if this doesn't clear up.